Hi everybody, welcome to my very first RC video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Traxxas Unlimited Desert Racer, and I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not normally a Traxxas kind of guy. Typically I tend to buy RCs that are kits and I bring them to a racetrack. Usually I race indoors. I haven't even really been racing outdoors for the past few years. Primarily focused on 10 scale buggy and 2 and 4-wheel drive buggy. A little bit of truck mix in here and there. I did join up on the short course craze when the Traxxas Slashes came out and Team Associated SC10s. So it's been a little bit since I've had a truck, and I gotta be honest with you too, I have wanted this truck since it came out in 2018. So I really liked what they've been doing with it, all the aftermarket parts. So you guys have probably seen this truck bouncing around on YouTube and forums and stuff like that. They updated the kit to include these lights, and so that's going to be pretty awesome. It's got lights in the front and the back, and of course it's got a controller that comes with it. The kit that I got is the blue body, so it's not this Fox one. You can kind of see this is what it looks like. I have not seen one of these in real life, so this is going to be a treat to actually open this box because I have yet to see one and play with it in real life. So I'm going to dig into this, probably take the body off and see what makes it tick. I'm a little bummed that this isn't a kit because I really like building my cars, learning all about them inside and out, but I have a feeling that this guy will be partially disassembled before too long, so I can see what makes it tick. So, all right, give you a little shot of the bottom of the box here too. It's got this. If you take the body off, it's got this roll chassis, roll bar chassis setup. So it's all plastic. It's got these body panels that are screwed in, and it comes with these extra set of tires in the back here that are functional apparently. Also, it's got 8 shocks. 4 of them have springs, so that'll be fun to play with. I've never had a vehicle with that many shocks on it before, so be fun to try out different weights of oil, spring rates, and all that good stuff. It's got a couple of drivers in here, and one of the things I really enjoy doing is using my GoPro camera and filming various things outside. I put it on my drone, put it on my kids. So definitely going to be mounting the GoPro camera inside of here, be getting some great in-car shots, some outside car shots, and then even with the GoPro Max be getting some VR shots from inside the cabin here and outside the cabin, just to give you a 360 image of what's going on. So flip this over too. Let's see. It's got some scale detail here also. So this is another thing I'm not super used to, but Traxxas has been adding these to their kits over the past few years as well. So they've got like these fire extinguishers and fans, and it's got like all sorts of little goodies that you can paint up and just have fun with. That's really what I'm after with this kit, is to just have fun outside. Recently moved to a place that's got a field next to it, so I can bash around in the field all I want and have lots of fun. So yeah, let's get a knife and get this thing open. So here's the radio, and don't know a whole ton about this. I'll learn about it. I'm used to using San Juan, so I've been kind of thinking about maybe dropping my San Juan in. I know this has got traction control a little bit here and there, and so that might be helpful early on for the 6S that this thing comes with. So, okay. Got some manuals, looks like some stickers and stuff, some spacers for batteries. I will be running this with 6S. So I've got two 3-cell Traxxas batteries, and I can play around. I know from what I understand it will run on a 3, 4, or 6-cell. So it's got some number plates on here, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's pull this out. Let's see, there's the blue. Alright. There we go. Wow, yeah, that is definitely bigger than a short course truck by a lot. Got these big tires, they're about the size of an 8-scale buggy, maybe a little bit bigger. Take this plastic off. Whew. That is pretty awesome. So you can see the lights, got the lights in the front here. That's pretty cool. And got some more lights in the front here for it. And then yeah, we got some lights in the back as well. So there's all the detail. Very plush suspension. Okay, so the battery is a little tricky. What you have to do is flick this like that, and then pull it straight back, and then straight up. And then you can see it's got the two Traxxas ID connectors, and this guy pulls back so you can dump in your batteries. Takes a 3S, 4S, or 6S. Pop that back in, and then this is the tricky part, getting this back lined up. I'm sure after a few times it won't be that bad, but okay. Tricky thing about this is make sure that is pressed all the way over before you put it down, because that gets in the way. So then just put it down so it's flush and press forward. Voila. Click it.